Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, we are going to explore Charla, a customer chat solution designed to help businesses to grow faster. If you run an online store, a service company, or an business where customers need quick answer, this tool might be exactly what you are looking for. Today we will learn what is Charla, how does it work, and why it can be all-in-one chat solution to improve your customer support and sales. But before we start, let me share you something important. In the description below this video, you will find a special link. That link give you the access of lifetime deal or extra discount on powerful tool. Make sure to check it after watching this video because it can save you a lot of money and a lot of time, or you will get the access to professional solutions. So let's get started with Charla. Now, at the most basic level, Charla is a platform that brings all your customer chat together. In today's world, customers connect you from everywhere: your website, WhatsApp, Messenger, even Instagram DMs. Normally, you have to jump between apps and accounts to reply. But with Charla, all of these conversations come into one single dashboard. That means you can manage every chat in one place without confusion. Now let's imagine a real example. Suppose you are selling clothing online. A customer sends a question on WhatsApp, another person asks something through your website chat, and a third customer messages you on Instagram. Instead of switching between these three apps, Charla collects all messages and show you them to your one clean inbox. You or your team can reply quickly and the customer feels like you are getting personal attention. So another powerful part of Charla is automation. Now in this time, Charla includes features like chatbot, replies, auto greeting, and follow-ups. For instance, if someone messages you at midnight when you are asleep, Charla can send an instant reply, like very humanitative. Charla can send an instant reply like this, like you are just watching here. So this makes the customer feels valued even if no one is online. Charla also integrates with CRM system and e-commerce platform. That means if someone asks about their order, you can see their details directly in the chat without opening another tool. So this saves time and makes support more efficient. And when support is faster, customers are happier, which often leads to more sales. Now what I like about Charla is that it's not just about answering questions, it's also about business growth. With features like chat analytics, customer data, and conversation history, you can understand what customers ask most, what they are looking for, and how your team is performing. This insight helps you to improve your product and services. Now another benefit in this year is Charla's design. The chat widget on the website looks very modern, load fast, and you can customize it to match your brand. Customers often judge your professionalism by how smooth their first interaction is. Charla makes that experience feel professional and friendly. So overall, Charla is a smart and all-in-one chat solution. It combines customer support, automation, integration, and insights into one platform. So if you want to grow your business by giving faster and better service, Charla is definitely a worth tool. So I hope now you understand about Charla and how does it work. So before I finish, let me remind you one more thing. That special link I mentioned in the description earlier, and that is the AppSumo. So on AppSumo, you can get the tool for lifetime access. So to grab that, just check the description and use the link in the description. So if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.